Are you ready to supercharge your financial future? Let's dive into some surprising credit facts together. First up, did you know your credit score can impact much more than just loans? A good score can save you thousands on insurance and even open up job opportunities. Here's a shocker. Nearly 1 in 5 Americans have mistakes on their credit reports. These errors can mess up your score and limit your financial options. But don't worry. Repairing your credit can be faster than you think. With the right strategies, you could see improvements in just a few months. And get this, 78% of Americans have errors or outdated info on their credit reports. Fixing these can give your score a major boost. I'm thrilled to help you on this journey. Let's work together for a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching. And remember, your financial freedom starts now.